Good morning, good afternoon or good evening. Welcome back to the Law Vlog, episode 19 I think. Today's episode we're in Dublin. About a couple of things on, about to attend the High Court. We have a settlement negotiation arranged. Secondly, I'm in the Dublin office to meet some new clients. We also had a number of cases in the High Court list which is sitting in Cork for the past 2 weeks up to last Friday. One of the cases was affected by COVID, so we had a witness who had COVID but was going to give evidence by video link, and the other side had a witness who was out sick but was back last Monday. But unfortunately, as the High Court was only sitting for 2 weeks, it was last Wednesday when we actually figured out a time for everybody to do their video evidence, and the case is going to take 3 days to hear. So unfortunately that case was didn't have enough time to be heard with the time left in the High Court in Cork, so that's now been adjourned to the May sittings. So just out of the, see behind me there, the four courts on the quay in Dublin City, just settled our High Court case. This was a slip and fall type accident where a gentleman fell into a manhole cover on a footpath. So we took an action against the City Council along with a service provider, and that case was just settled this afternoon for our client's injuries, which was a fractured ankle and some other sequelae. He settled in the High Court jurisdiction of damages, general damages, plus the special damages, loss of earnings out of pocket, and his High Court legal costs were paid as well. Just out of a client consultation there, it's a medical negligence type case, birth injury to the baby. The baby suffered what's called an Erbs Palsy, where that as the baby was delivered, excessive force was used, or we say excessive force was used to deliver the baby, and has irreparably, irretrievably damaged nerve damage to the baby's shoulder and dyspraxia, and so the baby's now potentially long-term consequences of this, what we say is a negligent action. So a number of defences the hospital will give for this type of injury to the baby is that, one, that the force used to deliver the baby was not excessive; two, there was reasonable to use the method to deliver the baby; number three, that if they didn't deliver the baby in this manner, that there was a risk of other injuries to the baby, and that they were preventing those. So in the usual manner in all medical negligence cases, we will take up the medical records of our client, and we will then find a suitable expert in the UK to provide an independent medical report to prove negligence, and then we proceed with this court through the court process. So that's our first Law Vlog back in the new year. I hope you got some value out of it. If you'd like to take a medical negligence type case, I'll put a link to an ebook which gives you all the steps in the process in Irish jurisdiction how to take that case. Until then, we'll see you next week. Have a great week.